Hello everyone, welcome to the maths class. Students, you all know that we have started chapter 6, the triangle and its properties, right? So in our previous class, we have started exercise 6.1 along with the introduction, right? So in this video, we are going to complete our exercise 6.1 first, and then we will proceed to 6.2. We will start with the question number 2B of exercise 6.1, alright? And we will proceed to the introduction of the exterior angle property. I hope you remember we are doing the properties of the triangle. So we have discussed question number part 1, part 2. Now our third property will be exterior angle of the triangle and its property also. We are going to discuss about that. So let us solve question number 2B from exercise 6.1. Alright. Student, here we have the question number 2, the part B we have to solve. We have solved till part A of the question number 2. So the question is, draw a rough sketches for the following. Number B, in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. So you have to make one triangle, okay? The name of the triangle will be PQR, in which PQ and PR are the altitudes. So I'm going to make here right angle triangle, okay, in which I am going to name here PQR. They have asked that PQ and PR are altitude. Altitude means they are perpendicular to each other, alright. So PQ is perpendicular to PQ, PQ is perpendicular to PR. Perpendicular means they are 90 degree, alright. Perpendicular, this sign will be representing for perpendicular. Alright, perpendicular means it is right angle triangle and it is 90 degree. So here the figure would look like this, in which triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, PQ is perpendicular to, or PQ and PR are altitude of the triangle. Okay, altitude means just like this, in which it will be denoted by right angle and perpendicular sign. Alright. Okay, proceeding forward to part C of question number 2, it is, in triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Remember, here it is mentioned exterior of the triangle. So you have to make one triangle. Let us make let us make like this, in which we are going to put name X, Y, Z, okay, and it is mentioned that YL is an altitude. So you have to make one line segment in which YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Exterior means outside. So I'm going to put like this, YL. YL is an altitude, so isn't it, this became your altitude, which is 90 degree, so which is also exterior. So your triangle was like this, and your exterior altitude will look like this, right? So your this YL is the altitude, so this will look like this. Okay, so this is XYZ triangle, and in this triangle you have to make YL altitude in the exterior of the triangle. This is your exterior part of the triangle. Okay, this is your exterior part, and your triangle is XYZ, and YL is the altitude of the exterior triangle. Alright. With that, our question number 2 is over. Let us now proceed to question number 3 from exercise 6.1. Okay. The question is, verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. Okay. So you know what is median. Median is if there is one triangle, if you draw a mid line, okay, middle of line segment from one vertex to an opposite side of the segment, suppose say A, B, C, and if I say L here, suppose this is a median, and this part BL will be equals to BLC, that will become your what? Median, right? And altitude, if I put one right angle sign or 90 degree, then that will become your 90 degree, then that will become your perpendicular, which is altitude, right? Altitude. So here what you have to do, this is your median and this is your altitude. So you have to verify by drawing a diagram if the median and the altitude of an isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles? Isosceles means two sides will be equal in a triangle. If suppose this is your triangle, this side and this side, or this side and this side will be equal. Alright, so isosceles triangles are those triangles in which two sides will be equal. So you have to verify by drawing a diagram if the median and the altitude of isosceles triangle can be same. So if I draw a diagram like this of one triangle, and if I draw one line segment from here, from one vertex, and if I put this as a line segment, and if I try to measure the length of this, and if I write this as BL suppose, and if your measurement BL and LC, okay, LC is of equal length, then you can consider yes, it is verified by drawing a diagram that median and altitude of an isosceles triangle is same. So this thing you will be doing with the help of scale. You will draw a triangle, okay, in which you will put two sides will be equal, okay, and you will draw one line segment. You will assume that as a altitude, and you will measure this two part, this part and this part, okay, BL and LC. If they are equal, then the problem is verified. Okay, this is the hint given. You can draw yourself and you can verify the altitude as well as in median. Okay, so student, with that question we are over with exercise 6.1. Alright, now we have the important property to discuss before starting exercise 6.2. The property is exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Okay, as exercise 6.2 is based on this property, so I have kept this property aside. So only one property we are going to discuss this. Okay, in the next part of the video we will proceed to part property 4, and that is angle sum property. For now, let us discuss what is exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Okay, so now the definition is presented here. An exterior or external angle. Okay, so exterior means, you know, in your lines and angle you have got the knowledge of exterior angle. Right now in exercise 6.2 also, in part C, right, you got the exterior part or the exterior angle. You have formed it, you have draw the figure, right? So exterior, from till now you are very much familiar with this term exterior angle. So exterior angle means the angle which is outside of the triangle. So you can see this two triangle, that is 50 and 70, is inside the triangle, so they are interior angle. In case of parallel line, you saw in lines and angles that interior angles are the inside the parallel line, exterior are the outside the parallel line. Similarly, the exterior angle here is this X, which is outside of the triangle. Okay, whatever the angle will be outside of the triangle will be an exterior angle. So that is the exterior angle. Now what is this exterior angle property? So exterior angle, to find, you will get many sums to do to find the exterior angle. Okay, so to find the exterior angle you have one formula. Exterior angle is sum of its interior angle. Alright, so if this is the example, you have to find the X value. Then what you have to do, X is equal to, sorry for this, the slide went, the number went down, will be X is equal to 50 plus 70. Whatever is the result, that will be your exterior angle. So 50 plus 70 is 120. So your exterior angle is 120 degree. So your exterior, I hope you got the hint, you got the idea of the exterior angle and its property. An exterior angle or external angle is the angle between one side of the triangle and extension of an adjacent side. So this is the extension of the adjacent side. If this is your triangle, inside the triangle, whatever the angles are formed, that is called interior angle. And if suppose a line is drawn, okay, the adjacent part will be your exterior angle. The outsider or the outside angle are called exterior angle. So now, student, let us start solving exercise 6.2 with question number 1. Alright. So student, here we have the first question from exercise 6.2. The question is, find the value of the unknown exterior angle x. This is your x, alright, in the following. So here it is x. So the first one is quite familiar to you, I guess. I have shown you this in the example also. So to find the exterior angle, I have given you one formula, that is, let me write here, EXT stand for exterior. Angle of triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. For the other, I won't be using the formula, I'll be directly writing, but your work is to write formula in each and every problem, okay, in each and every problem. So exterior angle is your x here, yes, is equal to sum of the interior opposite, means 50 and what are the interior opposite angle here? 50 and 70 plus 70, so it is 120 degree. So your exterior angle here is 120 degree. How you found? You found using the formula, that is, exterior angle of a triangle is sum of its interior opposite angle. Okay. So similarly, to find the x here, sum of the opposite angle is 30 plus 40 using the formula. But remember, student, again I am telling you, you have to use the formula before doing this. Okay, I here don't have the full space, so still I can write here, no problem. For you people, this is the second sum. So exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior, int is for interior opposite angle. Alright, so now 30 plus 40 is 70, so your x value is 70 degree. No need of writing here, just I am writing here if you are not able to understand this, but you can write in over here, and if you forgot to write here, no problem. Okay, don't worry, you will be getting the full marks. Alright, the basic thing is you should learn, you should know how to find the exterior angle. Okay, what is exterior angle, how to find using the formula. Proceeding to number 2 now, because we have done question number 3. I was actually writing in this way, but I forgot and jumped to question number 3. No problem, you can. Right now I'm going to solve question number 2 for you also. Okay. So student, here we have question number 2. Remember, question number 3 is already done. So I'll be doing question number 2 now. So to find the exterior angle x, what was the formula? Exterior angle of triangle is sum of its interior opposite angle. Okay. So x is equal to 65 plus 45. So it is 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 in hand, 6 plus 4, 10, 11. So it is 110 degrees. So your exterior angle is 110 degree. But remember, before this you have to write the formula. It is very mandatory. Okay. Similarly here x is equal to 60 plus 60. It should be interior opposite angle. Okay, they are interior opposite. Don't worry, in a triangle it will be opposite only. So 120 degree. So your exterior angle is 120 degrees. Student, number 5, number 6, you will be trying yourself. Okay. So this much for today. Your home assignment will be number 5, number 6 also. You will learn about exterior angle. What is interior angle? To find the exterior angle, what is your formula? Alright. So in the next class, we will proceed with the next question with more greater knowledge, with more property we are going to deal. Okay, we will keep this thing very simple so that you will understand in one step only. Okay, so do not forget to practice. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.